Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create Airwallex account. So let's get straight into it. First, what we need to do is basically get to the airwallex.com website. So this is this one here. Now what you are going to do here at the top left right corner, you will see a demo and login. So let's go and click on login. Now here you can log in if you have already your account. If you don't have it, you will see here new to Airwallex sign up. So click on that. Alright, right here we will put our email just like that. Alright, so you can uncheck, can I go back? Yes, back here. Now you can also uncheck to receiving marketing communications from Airwallex. So let's do that like that. Get started. So if you want, you can leave it. If you don't want, you can just uncheck it. So like that. And now we create a password. Now after we created a password, we will need to add a business name. Let's say, then we have here the headquarters, and we will need also add a mobile phone, and then after that we will create an account. So let's add on business headquarters. Okay, after that you will need just to verify your phone number, and then you will see that account is ready and we can start exploring. So let's go to the dashboard right here, and just like that we are in. So this is it guys. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next